Okay. So initially, no problem, sir. Initially, we have to go for the course registration in curriculum. So course registration directly we need not to select all these. Directly we can go for add course.
Right.
Here we have to set now. So that is 1920 academic year.
R18 sir.
Which batch it is?
No, R15 sir.
R15.
Batch.
Batch.
Based on roll number.
17.
1721.
17 would be. Semester, that is second semester. That is third year. 1, 2, 3,
6 semester.
course, that is elective. Is it elective?
Professional elective.
Elective 2 or 3?
P4 sir.
Only theory. Course code
A26H5.
826H5. Then title
IRS.
Information Retrieval System.
spelling.
TRI.
EV.
Acronym.
IRS.
Then lecture credits, 3 credits are there.
Any classes weekly? You know?
Weekly 4 sir.
4 and 3.
3 credits. Total credits will not keep because it will be counted. So
Zero.
the total credits 3 credits.
3 grades.
There are no practicals. The weightage means internal 30%, 30 marks, and external 70 marks per 100. 30% is 70%. Then course domain information retrieval system will come under
Data.
database security or information security.
You know?
Retrieval system.
Database, data mining కింద
Maybe sir. Because we are searching them.
Okay. So prerequisites for this information security.
DB. DMDW తెలుగు. కదా?
DMDW
DMDW database
DBS.
DBS.
and DBS. Database security.
Database systems.
So, database system. Reviewer department. So information then course reviewer. So you are the course owner. Keep your name only. Where is your name?
Next year. This one.
Here last date of review means this COPO mapping, this course registration.
17 లోనే.
So when you are going to review means we have to keep the next day or today itself.
Okay.
Also we can keep. For example,
First of, second of, third of.
next day we can keep. No problem. Here people will be confused. Total course contact hours. How many hours is required for this? Nearly 50, 50 or 60 maximum
Something.
hours.
55.
55. Okay. Total CAA marks means continuous internal assessment marks, means the written marks which we are keeping a mid exam, subjective and objective, not assignment. Subjective. Sorry.
Subjective, objective.
No. Assignment and attendance.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm forgetting. This is assessment,
Okay.
Assessment, that
Daily,
is assignment will assess, and attendance also we assess. Here midterm marks, which it is we are conducting. 15 marks for descriptive, 5 marks for objective. So total 20 marks here we have to keep. So total term and examination marks. This we are conducting for 70.
Oh,
Okay. 100. Total Term and examination duration 3 hours. And here for the Bloom's taxonomy, here we are considering only cognitive, not affective and psychomotor. That is physical, means for the mechanical people will be considered. Cognitive means simply the thinking. So that level only we will take. Then save it. Take your time.
Everybody is doing it.
Yeah. When you are doing, it will be a problem. It won't take much time, sir, actually.
Oh, how is it next? We'll land in this.
Then better. 17 batch. He told.
17 minutes.
Too slow.
అయితే చేస్తాను సార్ సెగ్మెంట్ చేస్తారు అనేసి గట్టి ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి లేదనుకోండి ఏమవుతుంది క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తారు మనం ఇంకో దాంట్లో ట్రై చేస్తారు
Which happens there.
No.
Sixth semester.
Sixth semester type of courses P4. 35 years.
A25 H6 or
35
35 H6.
Course title information retrieval system. TRIEVAL system. Lecture grade 3. Teacher grade 0.
Actually, there we kept one credit, but that is counting.
Oh.
So we are not 70. Then post
Information data was in
here we kept DW, DM, and DBS. It's too slow, sir.
ఇన్కమ్ సోర్సెస్ ఆల్రెడీ
It's a side problem. Using Geo.
ఉంటాయి 30 days లోనో 60 days లోనో
Close it this way. This arts file. Information technology.
అది తెలియదు రోజు నేను ఫోన్ చేసి నేను మొన్న
Course reviewer. Cinemas. Contact hours. 55. CMS internal assessment.
20.
10, 20. This is assignment and attendance. Descriptive and objective. Term and examination marks 70. So total 100. Term and examination duration.
నాకు నిన్న వినయ్ ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్తాను ముందు సార్ కమ్యూనికేట్
Oh,
Just keep the next. It is optional. Okay, sir. Those registered. So if you want, we can see here. 6th semester. Course is registered. Here we have to go with the CO creation. This is option, initial option.
Yes.
Pending, we have to click on pending. Okay. Select the course. So here now it shifted to second column. So second option.
Yes.
Then we have to add the courses, means course outcomes. Here it is prompting. So we have to take the course out. What are the COs? What are the COs? Copy this CO. Paste here. Then what is the level? So here sometimes question paper, in the question paper we may give
Two options.
1, 2, 3 also.
Right.
Better to take max, min to max.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then the delivery. Here classroom delivery or demonstration. Both will take. Mostly not use your mind. Then save this CO. Next CO. Copy the next CO. Based on the words in the CO, they will suggest the Bloom's levels also. Here it's good to take a minimum 3 to 4. Maybe it is calculations and apply, not programmatical, so not that much problematic. That's why
Exactly.
3 levels.
3 levels.
See, they are suggesting
Yes.
actual selected 1, 2, 3. Action webs, these are the webs. Suggestions
1, 2,
1, 2,
3.
3 select is not relevant.
Okay.
Incorrect for the defined course outcome. Based on this, the wording, they will suggest this.
Excellent.
Okay. Oh, delivery method I not selected, no problem. We want, we can edit later. Likewise, we have to add each and every CO. Actually, if they plan for a single file, COs one file, question
Exactly.
paper one file. So COs and question paper and mapping one file.
Exactly.
So that is only the matter. If they provide the file, simply we'll write in the file. Same files will maintain every time.
Exactly. True.
So ఇక్కడ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని నెట్ లో చేయాలి అంటే
It will take, of course.
some time, many clicks.
అంటే నెక్స్ట్ చూసాను టాటా
Level 4 కూడా పెట్టారు. So it's good to go to 4. In any level we may give the question. That's why for COs
Better
you
to
cannot
select minimum to maximum or
that time
everything is
also they told only one Bloom's level. That's not right.
that is not correct actually.
Maybe different questions.
మనకి స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్ అమౌంట్లో తెప్పించారు. నేను మామూలుకి చెప్పాను.
So these delivery methods are needed while loading the lesson plan.
Oh,
In lesson plan,
correct.
that also we did previously, but that will take much time again. Yeah, simply questions and all are taking much time.
Exactly.
It will take again much time. Okay, it has been saved. 6 COs we got. Want to edit anything, you can edit now itself. Okay, again click on the same COs, course outcomes. Now they will give you the option called COPO map. So these connectivity only will be missed. Initially CO pending, that one option. Now again clicking on the CO, we will get this one. So continue to COPO mapping. Observe here. We cannot go to here directly. We have to click here. That will be finalized. Is equal to COPO map. These are the options only.
Of course.
Multiple options. So here it is mapping related some information they will give.
Exchange also.
Then mappings. So PO1, you did not keep PO1s. PO1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 3 should be here. 3
మీకు ఇది పంపించాలి లేదంటే
and 2. No problem. అది కదా మీదే కదా మ్యాపింగ్ 3 2 2 for CO1.
అంటే దీంట్లో కూడా చేస్తున్నాం సార్.
Okay. This is a mapping table. Here we have 3 selected, 2 next. This is PO4. Further 2 are selected. Okay. So here, what are the justification we are writing? If we want, we can write. You to write for some justification. In the course file, we have written,
Correct, sir. Correct.
those justifications we can. Next, 2 to it is PO5, I think. PO5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 9. Here that will give the information also. Here, see, PO also will be displayed. We can
Exactly.
read and
సరిగా ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళామంటే
సీట్ ఒకలా ఉంది, దగ్గర ఒకలా ఉంది.
ఇది మానుకున్నాను.
Okay. So if you want to justify, you have to click here, sir. Type right. Next, 3, 4, 4, 4.
ఎన్నిసార్లు అడుగుతారో నాకు అర్థం కాదు. ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడు అడిగితే మన దగ్గర ఉండవు కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ కలిగింది మాత్రం కలిసి చేసాం అది ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడు షేర్ చేసినట్టున్నాను దాంట్లో లేదు. అదే ఉంది సార్, లేకపోతే యాడ్ చేయమన్నారు. Sir, Neeraj sir,
3, 4, 2.
I got accounting user kid.
Kindle, sir. Okay, sir.
Single account. So me, I got few
Books, sir.
books of. And how to have an app which
Kindle,
I
app.
don't get
Kindle, app, sir. Kindle, app.
keep help.
Kindle. App.
Kindle that is fine. And I need an app to read
Audio read, sir.
audio.
Kindle only you'll have an option, sir. Speak all by something at loud. Sorry.
ఇదే సార్ దుకాన్ ఐడి
Seven, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
Read and listen audio.
Yes.
This is asking again to pay for audio.
Thank you, sir. Audio work is separate. Yeah, no, sir.
So this is overall justification, sir.
Okay, sir.
We want to you. So we have sometimes we will be having course coordinator.
Yes,
Maybe subject who are teaching, they may give these mappings. They may send it for review
Oh,
for the course coordinator. Previously we have given who is the course coordinator, course owner. They have asked. It's sent for review. Here it will ask an option.
For that account, you have to log in.
Should I? Yeah, they have to accept.
Okay.
So he is the owner.
So
That's
he is
why
only getting
I am not sending it for review. I am skipping. But she was really finalist. So she was finalized. Yeah, we came to topic, manage topic, TLOs. Means each topic, for each topic that is which CO,
Syllabus wise,
then their
yes, sir.
topic learning outcomes. That mapping also will be there here.
Right.
So we will not going that much deeper. Then Shiglis are also told that much deeper is not required. Then mappings over, or if you want, we can check. Today it is very slow. Mapping is over. Four reports are available for this course. This list. So now it is over. Now we will go for the assessment. Second one. Assessment. Here it is showing pending. So we have to create the question paper as a continuous internal assessment question paper. Rubrics they are asking. Before that, here we are having the rubrics generate చేయాలంటే మనం అక్కడికి వెళ్తాము. బట్ సిఐఏ మనం ఒకసారి అసైన్ చేయాలి. ఎడిట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇప్పుడు మనం రాయాలి. So what are the assessment occasions?
CIA,
Subjective,
subjective, objective,
assignment, assignments, attendance. సో ఇవి సెపరేట్ గా రాయాలని నేను అడిగాను. అమ్మాయికి రాసిన మనం అంత ముందు చెప్పినట్టు అమ్మాయికి రాసాం మ్యాథ్స్ లో చెప్పారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ విచ్ బ్యాచ్ సార్? ఇట్ ఈస్
17 batch.
mid one. We need not to write the batch. Mid one, subjective, SUV for section A. Okay. Mid one subjective, section A. So mid one and mid two. Here it is question paper we are giving for subjective. For how many marks we are giving? 15 marks. Save it. This is one occasion. Next, second, same, mid one, objective, section A. So A and
Not only A.
It is also mid one and mid two.
And then question
Same criteria we will use here.
Marks.
Question paper, marks 5 marks. Object. Next occasion, same mid one. Take the assignment. Question paper.
Question
Assignment
paper.
also question paper.
Same
5 marks.
ఆటో బిల్ పేమెంట్స్ ఏమైనా పెట్టుకుంటే దాంట్లో రికరింగ్ బిల్
So
పేమెంట్స్
next
రికరింగ్
mid
మర్చెంట్
one.
ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ ఉంటే అవి ఫస్ట్ ఏప్రిల్ కి డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతాయి.
Attendance
ఆటో పేమెంట్స్ ఏదో పెట్టారు
for
అమెజాన్
section A.
ఎవ్రీ అదే సబ్స్క్రైబ్
This for and here why I am giving AO method. There we kept some idea analysis. Mid one these many subject to these many marks, object to these many marks we kept there. Initially. Sorry. Here it is rubrics we have to use. It is attendance. Based on some rubrics we will use. What is that rubrics? We will have some formula. I'll tell that formula. Okay, sir. Initially this one we have taken.
options are ready.
Here we were edited all applications we have to. Now we have to move to the
ఎందుకంటే
question paper and rubrics.
ఆ మంత్ పేమెంట్ చేయాలి. డ్యూ డేట్ ఉంది కదా, నెక్స్ట్ గ్రేస్ 1 మంత్ అప్పుడు పేమెంట్ చేస్తాం.
So these four are here.
పుసుకును వర్క్
Now we have to go with one by one. This is subject. Here editing we have to do. Uploading is there, but that uploading is different. Okay, that is taking from already previous defined. For B section,
Right.
we'll import. I will show that. For B section, I will tell. Here A section. Editing.
24,000 నాకు తెలియదు.
Question paper.
వాడు రాంగ్ ట్రయల్స్ చేశాడు బయట.
CAA framework.
పేమెంట్ ఎవరు?
Here we'll write mid one, subject to
అడిగితేను ఈ నేను చెప్పిన టైం 2 వారాల ముందు
for A section.
బిల్ జనరేషన్
So how much time they will take for mid one? It is subjective one. Then keep 1 hour or 1 hour of time. So maximum marks 15 marks here. Then grand total means question wise marks.
Okay.
Grand total is different.
25.
5 questions we will give sir. 25 marks. Don't keep it as model paper. Okay, this will be finalized for next coming papers. So give some note. Answer. Yeah.
దాంట్లో మీద కాపీ చేయాలి 3 ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్.
Any 3 questions or 3 of the following. Okay, it is fine. So now we do not have any parts in this. Simply one part is there. That is subject. Number of questions 5. 5 questions we have to add now. How many marks? 5 5s are 25. That's what here we have to give. This is only will be confused. Maximum marks for which we are conducting. These are the grand total question wise marks. Total question wise question marks. Here while adding questions also number of questions and these question marks. This should be matched with grand product. That's all. Here, save and create question bank. That's it. Here it is over. We'll come to the manage questions. So we'll add the questions because it is over already. This is what we prepared. After manage questions, we got add questions. Here we have to add one by one questions. Subjective. Then question paper we have to add. Question paper already are sent.
ఒకటి మీరు ఈసారి ఫోన్ చేసినప్పుడు అడగండి ఒకటే మిస్టేక్
First time.
డేట్ అడగండి ఈ టైం స్లాట్ లో
Direct questions. Huh?
Direct questions, 5 marks.
So we have to take these values. So 5 marks, CO1 and blues level 2. You have to remember that. Here we have to select the question. 1. There are ABCs, we can take here ABCs. 1. Now CO 1. Bloom's level 2 sir. 2. Bloom's level 2. Meanwhile, let us paste the question. Yes, the question. Bloom's level 2. There we have selected for CO1 these 3 Bloom's levels possibilities. Left here number marks
5 marks.
5. Save. Next subjective. Same second question. Take this question. CO1 Bloom's level 2. Second question. Then the next question. Third question. CO2 L1.
మినిమం అలా ఉంటేనే తీసుకుంటారండి సార్ స్కూల్ టీచర్స్
Fourth question. CO2 L2.
ఈ మామూలు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేస్తారు వాలంటీర్లకు బేసిక్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వచ్చాడు
So, but instead of seeing daily messages, we are saying, and he's already married as per all measurements. My daughter's school teacher. Reason for school teacher. ఇద్దరు బాబులా వెళ్ళే వెళ్తారు ఇద్దరికి ఎంత ఫీజు నలభై ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ద ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్
సార్
CO2 L2
CO3 నుంచి ఒకటైనా ఉన్నారు కదా, టోటల్ 6 COs ఇచ్చారు.
మిట్టుకు మొత్తం కాదా మిట్టుకి రిమైనింగ్
మ్యాచ్ అవ్వాలి కదా సార్.
ఓసి అసలు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు చూడు
అది కూడా ఒకసారి
అటైన్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుంది
అటైన్మెంట్ లో తేడా వస్తుంది.
CO3 కూడా ఉండాలా?
కంపల్సరీ ప్రతి ఒక్క CO టచ్ అవ్వాలి
Questions అన్నారు కదా. 5 యూనిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, 2.5 యూనిట్స్ ఇస్తాం కదా.
CO3 చేసి CO3 ఒకదాని చేసి సిమిలర్
అదే
ఉన్నాయి.
తర్వాత ఎడిట్ చేయాలి
సిమిలర్ ఉన్నాయి చేయొచ్చు కదా. బ్లూమ్స్ లెవెల్లో ఏదో వస్తుంది.
చెప్దాం అందరికి మ్యూట్స్ జరిగింది డోంట్ ప్లే ద ఆడియో అని చెప్దాం అందరికి
It's not going forward, sir.
not getting slow again but cancel maybe refresh okay was not
CO3
added.
చేసేద్దాం మరి.
Yes, CO3 marks 5 7 now it's all fine.
You got 5 questions.
Question.
It's okay. Fine.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Likewise, we have to do 4. So if you want to check the paper analysis, question paper analysis, we can check.
Okay.
So
How many level 1 level
yeah.
2?
Level 1, 5 marks distribution, 20% it has taken. Level 2, most of the
80%.
questions are
Level
2.
Level 2.
CO,
Hmm.
40%
Hmm.
weightage we have given. CO is matching. 10 marks we have given. Means 2 questions are carrying.
Exactly.
Then
And
CO
one question from
4, 5,
CO3.
6 we have not given.
Not given.
2, 3, 10 and so this is
Right.
one question. This is the weightage. Analysis also. we have.
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ జాగ్రత్తగా.
Obviously కదా అంతే కదా
అది ప్రతి టెస్ట్ అయిన వెంటనే ఉండాలి సార్.
నేను పోతే యాజ్ ఎ ఫ్యాకల్టీ అప్డేట్ చేస్తూనే ఉండాలి ఆబ్వియస్లీ అంటే
So question paper items. Then objective.
రైట్
So their objective here it is R15 only. That's why we are treating it as a single question.
సింగిల్ క్వశ్చన్
So same framework we have. Then
R18 is
then 10 questions we have to add
individual
for objective also. CO mapping, CO Bloom's level also we have to do. Objective A section. Objective we are giving 30 minutes. Maximum marks 5 marks we are connected. How many questions we are giving? 10 questions and 5 marks only.
5 marks answer all
Grant out also 5 marks. Yeah.
answer all
Answer all the questions. So this is the criteria. Then section is objective. Okay. So if we have added subject and objective both, here we'll create two sections, subject and objective.
Right.
Here we separated.
Correct.
Yesterday sir asked. So number of questions, one question.
R15.
If we give 10 here, we must give add 10 questions.
10 questions. So,
If it is for 15, then total 5 marks. All the 10 questions we will add as a single question. Then say and create question paper. It is okay. Fine. Here manage questions, add questions. Objective is less than only one. So in the objective, actually we are not defining.
But it's
So
matching with
three
all the
COs
first three COs
must
at
be
least.
matched. Then levels, we will not go more than 2 or 3 levels. Objectivity. 5 marks.
5 marks.
Where is the question paper, sir? Here itself.
Objective question.
One more file is there, no?
This
Okay.
is
Course file, course file.
the course file. That will be here somewhere else. We have to search 100 papers.
Yeah, I did.
Anyone look at?
First main.
Mid one. First mid.
Actually, నేను చెప్పాలంటే మనం క్వశ్చన్ చేయలేము.
Additional?
ఫస్ట్ మీరే కండక్ట్ చేసాం, ఎగ్జామ్ జరగలేదు వాళ్ళు సార్.
10 questions.
Okay.
They are in COVID season. Lockdown. Okay. All questions we can say. That's it. One question. Next, here we will not to see the analysis. Again assessment.
Assignment.
Question paper and root pitch. By default, that will be displayed because we have selected subject. Program. Program means batch. Sorry, program is this is BTech and MTech. Curriculum here it is batch.
Right.
So by default it will. We have set these. It is not showing any pending and all. Here it is assignment. Edit. Here also.
Mid one. Assignment.
This also give 1.5.
1.5.
Maximum
5 marks.
it's 5 marks.
5 marks. So they were 5
If
marks.
you want to give single question, that means
Only
multiple
one
questions
choice.
as a single question. Answer any two sub questions. Answer any two questions.
Assignment.
Answer any two questions.
Right.
This assignment. Then questions we are giving only one. So if you want, we can give more also. Maximum marks 5. And this questions. Here, assignment. As an assignment, we will use the sub questions also. That's why you want to give all these questions. Okay, you can give no problem. Answer any two questions. I mean, you can modify.
Of course.
Maybe related to this only we might have given. Otherwise,
Exactly.
we can shuffle them.
Right.
Shuffle the questions also. Total
Hmm.
questions. or some questions. Then
One,
these
two,
three
three.
COs will be covered.
Right.
Then
Into
Mostly
L1 and 2. All actually
assignment it is.
Right.
Many practicals will be there.
Hmm.
So all three COs
Hmm.
we take. Total 5
5
marks.
minutes.
It is question 1.
One.
We could able to give ABC and then
That is
that's
also
also
possible.
that is a suggestion also.
Hmm.
Is it showing finalized, sir?
Not yet, sir. No.
Question paper. That's it. Levels also taken. Then again assessment.
Now rubric.
Rubrics.
Attendance.
Yes.
Attendance based on some rubrics and formulas.
Okay. It is showing rubrics empty. Then click on edit rubrics. Here one rubrics already generated. Okay, let us generate our new rubrics. So we generate the rubrics. How many columns? Just we want one column. Criteria. What's the criteria we will follow? Here attendance, for attendance we have max of attendance percentage, comma, subject plus object by 4. Maximum of attendance percentage, subject plus object by 4. But based on the attendance percentage, we will give some values. 3035 and that and subject plus object by
Divided by 4. దాని మధ్యలో అయితే
Max.
max, whatever is max.
This is the criteria we
That
are
is
following.
always-
Last time Ashok Sikli sir was taken this formula. This formula that the practice time they have given.
Okay, sir.
So if they ask, we have that we are following this criteria.
That's it, sir.
For first meet, mostly here we
One,
are
two,
covering
three.
1, 2, 3. Then same formula paste here. But here the range that is 0 to 5. We give the marks that is 0 to 5.
0 to 5.
So we need not to define all these. Custom criteria. It is not CO as
Not
criteria.
CO.
Save it. So that will appear here. So already it is selected. We'll finalize. Finalize the rubrics. It's finalized. Next go to here itself. Click on it. See, sir.
Nothing is
Now, yeah, everything is fine. Now we have to write. If we have to upload the marks, we have to upload the marks. We need to go to attend.
Okay.
For the B section, same thing we have to do actually. So same thing we have to do means same question paper will
We can
import. That option is there. For example, if two people are handling the subject, same subject, one person handling A section, one person handling B section. Then the A section uploaded the question paper, everything. This section also can import question paper and all. They need not to set again. They can directly go for only marks upload.
Marks up.
They need not to define COs and mappings also. EVO mapping will be by the
Only
course
once.
coordinator.
Course coordinator.
That's it.
So excellent.
Then here in attainment, CAA data and TE data, term and examination. So we can discuss about this later.
That is pending.
Yeah, it is showing now. So it is pending. Here we have to click on add or modify CAA marks for the same subject.
Right.
See, sir, it is showing now. We can download that is subject. Template will be given. Then after taking template and filling the data, we will go for import.
Right.
So then file name should not be changed.
Okay.
The formats and columns also we should not change. Second time also downloaded. So let us open
Take the
this.
first time.
There should not be any duplications. Actually, I'm not having MS Office. I'm having Neat Office.
Neat Office.
But it will take time. Okay, we should not modify any header, sir. Just click here. Don't remove any name also. Name file name also should be like that.
Right.
Everything must be same. Give me the marks, sir.
CA marks, center.
Mark center. And sir.
CA.
Okay.
This one.
This one only.
Mid is also there. Okay.
All
Mid is also there.
all he kept.
Mid marks. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mid marks only.
Okay, very good.
Total mid one.
Very good.
Same roll numbers are there.
Yes, sir.
Just take it.
No, AB ఉంది
So here we have AB,
Hmm.
but there we have single question.
Actually, only A only. He is not having any marks for B. Okay.
BLC and continuations.
B లేదు యాక్చువల్గా అంటే మన అటెండ్మెంట్ షీట్ లో ఏబి ఉంది కాబట్టి అట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ ఏబి యాక్చువల్లీ ఓన్లీ ఏ కిందనే మార్క్స్ ఉంది. That is correct.
1610, 1660 starting లో ఉన్నారు.
లాస్ట్ లో వస్తుంది.
మీ header ఉన్నారు చూడు.
లేదు అసలు
అది రోహిత్ గారు ఒకటి ఇక్కడ ఉంటారు సార్.
బి సెక్షన్ కింద
ఏ సెక్షన్ తర్వాత 56 తర్వాత
లేదు, వాళ్ళ numbers ఏ లేవు 16 batch.
అంటే సార్ 57 స్ట్రెంత్ కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఇది ఒకటి
1272 మరి 10 గా అక్కడ ఉంది.
16 ఒక్కడే కదా ఇక్కడ 10 and 60.
లేనట్టున్నారు సార్.
ప్రీవియస్ గా మన వాళ్ళు సెకండ్ ఇయర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం అప్లోడ్ చేసింది ఇది. అది
స్ట్రెంత్ ఇప్పుడు 57 ఉంది కదా. 57 కరెక్ట్.
strength చూడాలి.
లేదు సార్. వాళ్ళు మళ్ళీ డిటైన్ అయినట్టు.
చూడండి ఎంతమంది మార్క్స్ యూస్ చేసాము. స్ట్రెంత్ వెళ్ళి 63 అంటే 62.
లేదు 57 వస్తుంది.
వీళ్ళు సెకండ్ ఇయర్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు మనం అప్లోడ్ చేసాం సార్.
సరే అది యాక్చువల్లీ 57 వస్తుంది.
ఎవరెవరు మిస్ అయ్యారు?
వాడు కాదు
వాళ్ళు కాదు.
మార్క్స్ షూట్ చేయాలన్నా
ఓహో నువ్వు వచ్చేసి
57 ఉన్నారు నాకు.
ఓహో ఎలక్టివ్ కదా నువ్వు ఇచ్చేది.
ఆ,
సో వాళ్ళ వరకే మార్క్స్ ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వాలి సార్.
అంతే
వాళ్ళ వరకే మార్క్స్ ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
ఎలక్టివ్ లో సగమే ఉన్నారు కదా సార్, ఎవరిది వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు కదా.
అది కాదు ఎలక్టివ్ లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళకి వరకే మార్క్స్ ఇవ్వాలి.
ఓకే అట్లా అంటున్నారు. సో అది కంప్లీట్ సెక్షన్ చూపిస్తుంది అంతే కదా.
అక్కడ రోల్ నెంబర్స్ కంప్లీట్ సెక్షన్ వస్తుంది. నువ్వు అక్కడ చూసి మార్క్స్ చెప్పు సార్ కరెక్ట్.
ఎంటర్ చేస్తా.
మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు కన్ఫ్యూషన్,
కరెక్ట్.
ఒకటన్నా కరెక్ట్ చేసి చూద్దాం. రోల్ నెంబర్ కూడా చెప్పాలి.
1 సార్.
వెయిట్. not 1.
4.
Mm.
First round 4.
Mm.
Next question.
నువ్వు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళొద్దు, కింద సింగిల్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పు అన్ని ఆర్డర్.
ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
1 4.
ఓకే.
2 4.
3 5. 4 5. 5 5. 7 రాలేదు.
6
6 లేదు కదా. 7 ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అటెండ్ చేయాలి.
వదిలేసి నువ్వు నెంబర్ చెప్పు.
8 5. 9 5. 12 3. 14 3. 15 5. 14 5 sir. 12 3. 14 5. 15 5. 17 5.
Okay.
17 to directly 28 5.
Okay. Marks. Enter the marks. Question is then you have to move here to the attainments. Import. So it will ask us the first final question. And accept the data. If you want to view the marks, we can
do otherwise. Okay.
Here those who are attempted, that is keeping absent.
Right.
Absent. So this is data. If you want to go for data analysis, you can go return to manage CIA. Or directly you can click on assess attainment. It has been uploaded. Right. It's fine. So same thing for object. Same thing for assignment. Then same thing for attainment. This is marks uploading. Then one more thing. Setting the same question paper for
Second section.
Second B section. Because it is elective, they have to upload for B section also. And we have one facility. If they give the roll numbers initially, with that roll numbers, we'll give one section name. We'll give one section name. There, that name can be some DEF like that we can give. Because AB already fixed. DEF sometimes section names we can give for this professional elective. Up to Z we can give. So then directly they can upload.
Exactly. Super.
If they give those roll numbers.
Right.
But what we have done, we have entered only 0 to 16.
Generic case.
Okay. Then another CIA. CIA I have to create from 5th number onwards. It is for mid one only. Mid one. Subjective for B section. Same. 1 to question paper. 15 marks. Same. Next again mid one subject for B section.
B section.
B section. Sorry, subject already.
Subjective already over. Objective for B section.
Objective. Type question paper. Then 5 marks we are giving for objective. Next, same mid one assignment.
B section.
Question paper. Same mid one. For B section. This is also method mid one and two. Then it is groups.
5 marks.
Also will appear here. Okay. So again, already we have created here the edit.
Again, you have to import the questions.
The question pair for rubrics. That will show us B question. Question pair not defined, not defined, not defined. So import CA question paper. Let's try this. Import CA question paper for subjective. Here that will ask us. Where should I take?
Courses. Yeah, perfect.
Subjective. Already we have defined. Simply we'll import that. Inside pattern. Question paper. It is okay. We got then objective. Importing. Then course IRS. Any objective. Successful. Then for assignment, import. Assignment.
Only rubric will import cheyalem sir.
Rubric, and again we have to finalize. That is simple thing.
Not
Have to go to edit rubrics.
Custom.
Already this is there.
Okay.
We can edit this. It is available. We'll if we want, we can edit this. Just we can check it. What are the COs they selected? These COs we are taking for mid one attendance. We can edit this and update. Yes, we can write also. Yes, we can also. Finalize documents. Finalize. Okay. It is for mid one, mid A and B.
అట్లా సేమ్ ఫర్ మిడ్ టు ఆల్సో అంతే కదా.
Yeah, for me to also we have to.
Hmm.
Then here
Hmm.
term and examination.
Hmm.
There we have to go with this.
Hmm.
Then we have to create occasion.
Okay.
First we need to go to occasion.
Hmm.
Clearly task the occasion. Manage term and examination question paper. Just check.
Hmm.
Let's check this. Information retrieval system. Elective 4. Theory question paper not
Not
defined.
defined. Okay.
It is model paper.
Model paper. Okay. Okay.
Model paper we have to define first.
Right.
Then we'll go here.
Hmm.
We'll roll there.
Hmm. Hmm.
Means roll up means we'll finalize there.
Hmm. Hmm.
So add. We need to go for occasion creation
Hmm.
here.
Hmm.
Directly this model
Hmm.
paper only. We have to come out here. Model paper.
Hmm.
If we have any previous frameworks,
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
can take.
లేదు.
If you want to define our
Hmm.
own framework, we'll take.
Right.
So same thing,
Hmm.
but here it is different.
T.
IRS.
క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ పంపేవాళ్ళం సార్
3 hours.
Hmm.
పంపించు. But అది చాలా టైం
అది
పడుతుంది.
చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. జస్ట్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్
Example చేస్తున్నాం.
అంతే. జస్ట్ వన్
Maximum marks that only decide.
ఇది 8 క్వశ్చన్స్ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్
అక్కడ టైం 5 minutes. నేను వెళ్ళిపోతాను.
మీరు రైట్ చేద్దాం
అది మీరు చేయటం నేను చేయను.
అంతే సార్ ప్రాసెస్ చూపించారు ఏంటంటే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్
ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ మోడల్ పేపర్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్. గ్రాండ్ టోటల్ వచ్చేసి టోటల్ మ్యాక్స్ 70 మార్క్స్
140 ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కటికి ఆరు క్వశ్చన్ అంతే కదా.
ఈచ్ క్వశ్చన్ కౌంట్ చేయాలి. ఎంత వస్తుంది?
140
కింద 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ కదా సార్. 5 క్వశ్చన్స్
అంతే.
5 times 100 కదా. 100 ప్లస్
100 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ పైన మనకి మల్టిపుల్ చాయిస్ 10
దీనికి అట్లా లేదు
110
సార్
110
కోవిడ్ ఎగ్జామ్ మై ప్యాటర్న్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్
for 70 marks only.
70 marks only
COVID pattern. Then tell me how many questions? 8 questions.
8 questions దాంట్లో
Each question carries
5 questions has to answer
each question carries how many marks?
14 marks
14 marks. 14 into 5.
COVID exam
So-
out of 8 5 they have to
out of 8 so 14 into 8
8 14 so much.
14 8 ja
14 into
112
112.
112 yeah
112 కదా. 112 మార్క్స్ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్
any 5
ఎనీ 5 questions. ఇది కోవిడ్ సీజన్ ఇంతేనా? COVID-19
స్పెషల్ ఎగ్జామ్
అది
అంటే చాలు చాలు అంతే పడుతుంది.
ఒకటే పార్ట్ కదా.
part only part
ఏ పార్ట్ 2
no sir only one
COVID only one part.
right okay yeah
Here what's the section name we keep?
subjective అంటే
no section is given
If you want to give some name we can
subjective
subjective number of
or essay
questions.
type you can give
Number of questions 8. Total marks 112. 112 here. 7 for 8 question. Here that will prompt us to create the question.
Right.
Here we have to add. That will give the number of questions here. We select the subjective. Same. 8 questions. If there are any AB,
no abs are there
అక్క
ABs are there.
వెళ్తాం వస్తాను
Okay. If there are any ABs, we have the sub question also there. We can add that. So this is assessment
Hmm.
for term and
Term and
examination.
examination. Right.
Model paper. We have
Okay.
to take.
Hmm.
So now I'll take that. Actually, it's interrupted. Current wage is there.
Right. వచ్చింది.
Okay.
Hmm.
This model paper
Hmm.
will set, sir.
Right.
So if you want to use a model paper, we can see here.
Hmm.
Here, likewise, we can add many model
Hmm.
papers
Hmm. Hmm.
because like 4 questions papers they are setting, you know,
Hmm.
likewise. So
Okay.
here
For
we have
sets
to,
like
yeah,
that.
we have to
Right.
go to manage term and examination question paper. After setting that
Hmm.
question paper,
Hmm. వచ్చింది. Okay.
then status is pending.
Pending.
We have to add TE question paper.
Hmm.
So we have to click on this.
Hmm. Use model. Right. Right. Okay. Okay.
Use model question paper.
Exactly. దానికన్నా డిఫరెంట్ ఒకటి పెడితే యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ అగైన్ యువర్ న్యూ క్వశ్చన్ బికాస్
Actually, that is asking for model question paper. There are no model question papers. And moreover, okay, wait. One more minute, sir. We are not actually. We should not go there. Come here. We have import option. We need not to go there.
ఓకే
That is asking for question paper adding again. Let's try this. Import command question paper. No.
దిస్ డిఫరెంట్
Adding only, right? Actually, if the question, if any question papers are available, that will list out. So that will
Mali
list
same
out,
section,
and
section,
there
okay.
some options will be given.
Hmm.
That model paper 1, model paper 2, like that will be given. We select one paper, then on another option roll out. So whenever we click on roll out, that paper will be selected. So that paper will be selected. Directly we come to the attainments.
ఓకే
In the attainments, here term and examination data import.
Right.
Here that will show us. Rolled out, finalized will be displayed. There we will roll out.
రైట్ సార్
So that will be displayed here. Here add or modify will be given.
రైట్ సార్
We'll click on that. Again,
టెంప్లెట్
same template will be downloaded. Then
ఎంటర్ ద మార్క్స్
we'll enter the marks. Here we can see the attainments.
రైట్
CO attainment comparisons, data analysis, the comparisons. Here the comparisons we can see that is 17 data. We are selecting semester 6 semester I'm taking power systems. Then course IRS. If any comparisons.
ఓకే
COs related comparison. We did for mid one only. So that will be given attainments also. That is giving. Then what are the formulas they use will be listed out actually. Then this will give the information also.
Okay, this is very useful sir actually.
Audio books
So this is the finalized thing, sir. Totally, if we knows for a single subject, hardly will take 1.5 hours.
Not enough. Perfect.
For one test.
One full subject into a note.
1.5 or 2 hours, no problem.
1 hour, 1.5 hour.
That is based on the network speed. And
Exactly.
if
Your
you-
speed,
if you knows,
typing speed.
if you know the options,
Yes, sir.
then well and good. This is these are the data analysis and attainments for each
Student
and every
wide.
student attainments also we can see.
Right.
So whatever the formulas they have used,
Hmm.
they have given all the formulas. So we have to
Okay.
read out them.
Hmm.
That is the way they follow.
Right.
So simply she was uploading, mapping, then question paper.
First we will
uploading,
go
then
to
marks
curriculum,
uploading.
then we'll go to assessment, then we'll go to attainment.
Share these videos.
Yes.
Okay, this is what we got now. And we have another facility.
Profiles also.
So first of all, we have to know those who are handling for A section, who are handling for B section. Actually, I have the timetable with me.
Right.
Based on that only, I have to set who are handling. Okay. Here in the HOD's login, Sir is the owner.
Right.
See, sir, information security is different.
And IRS information retrieval system is different.
You have to take
6 semesters.
data warehousing. Samira madam, she did.
Not sure how
Reviewing
did
cases,
it.
RC also did. Course instructor.
Okay, second
For
person.
A, sir only taking.
Right.
For B also sir.
Okay.
We have to keep these names.
Oh,
Then those roll numbers only will be appeared for them.
fine. Either all. That's it. Sorry.
Then only those will be available. Then for this course,
Bhima, Dr. Bhima.
Bhima sir A section, madam B section. Course reviewer having this facility,
Okay.
they can also do. So those roll numbers will be allotted for them.
Allocated for.
So this is sir.
Thank you very, very much.
If you get any doubt, go through this video.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Then,
While creating assessment occasions, if you get any unnecessary extra occasions, we cannot delete actually.
oh,
That problem also there. Just create them. Exactly how many we required, those many.
right. So for example, course by mistake create an autumn drop admin as a instructor.
Once marks upload చేసిన తర్వాత మనం చేయలేం.
Oh,
అదొక ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది. సో అది ఉదయ్ సార్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి డేటాబేస్ రిలేటెడ్.
ఓకే.
సో అందుకనే ఆర్డర్ లో వెళ్తే బెటర్. డిలీషన్ కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ గా ఉంది. క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సెట్ చేసే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ డిలీట్ చేయడం అంటే ఓకే ఫైన్. మార్క్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేసే క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ డిలీట్ చేయడం కష్టం. సో మార్క్స్ డిలీషన్ కూడా కరెక్ట్ లేదు. మళ్ళీ మార్క్స్ రీఅప్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కానీ డిలీషన్ లేదు. ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. Some options. So whatever is available now, properly at least we could able to select that. Okay, sir. Stop it. Not sure. Yeah.